Guys, welcome back, and I'm gonna zip through, guys. This is another unboxing of some rare Kyosho Mini Z's, and the first car is not too rare, but guys, the shell that came with it is pretty rare, so we're gonna have a look at that. Right, let me crack this open. This is from a seller in the UK, and I said I'm gonna give him a shout out. And okay, he's reminded me. Enjoy the car, buddy, look after it. That's from Nathan. Alright, yep, Nathan, will do, mate. Hopefully it'll make it into one of my vids. Thanks for reminding me. Okay, right, so done now on all-wheel drive. This is pre-owned but in very good condition. Alright, guys. I've had that body shell before, but in blue. So let's take a wee look at it. There's no real mods on this, guys. What I really went for was the shell that came with it. And the shell that came with it was pretty cool. So, you know me, guys, bargain hunting all over again. Right. So, let's take a look. So, obviously, this isn't nothing really rare, guys, but that shell that came with it was pretty rare. I've never really seen them in the UK that often. Whoa, talk about wrapping it up. I ripped the tissues, man. Oh my goodness. I think he made sure I wasn't forgetting. Right, okay, it's in the tissues. Let's get these ripped open. Alrighty. Beautiful. Okay, so this is the Slatey drift car. I think he's put these decals on himself. I had it in blue and I wasn't a massive fan of it. It was 180 SX. I hate them wheels. And are they drift wheels? Please be drift wheels. I don't know if they are. Anyhow. So yep. If that had a jacked up spoiler on it and was blown out a little bit, it would be okay. But yep, true to his word, it's in good condition. Let's have a quick look at the car. And yep, so this obviously is a newer version. It's the sports version, so you can fit the gyro on it. Oh yeah, and I think the gyro came with this car. I think it's in the bits and bobs that it came with. So yeah, there's no real mods on it, guys, but let's have a look at the rest of the stuff. I like that remote, guys. Compared to the rubbish one they brought out now, I do like it. Okay, so, all cool. There's the gyro. Right, I think I remember what he did. Oh, thank you, there's the lights. Alright, okay. That's for that shell that he sent me as well. Right, cool. Bits and bobs that came with it. Cones. Now, this version did come with gyro and lights. But I think what he did is, he did a good move. He took the lights out of this particular car and he fitted them into this little bad boy. Now, this is the main reason why I went and bought the car. I have this in white, but I've never really seen it in red, and that's actually quite a rare shell. So I think he paid £60 for it from another country, might have been Japan, can't remember. But I've never really seen it in red. It's got drifting wheels on it as well, and he's fitted the light kit. Let's have a quick look at that. Oh, I'm going to have to unscrew it to get under there properly, so let's have a quick look. But the good thing is I've got an extra set of drift wheels, because they should be drift wheels. Right, here we go. I think they are drift wheels. Yep, they are. Nice. Okay. And let's have a look at the light kit. Yep, so he's fitted the light kit in. Nice. Nice little touch. Okay, the glue's come off a little bit, but that's fine. So the light kit that came with this original shell, he's put it into this, which is pretty cool, and he's fitted the lights into it, which is nice because that's going to look awesome in a drift vid. Awesome. Nathan, thanks for that, mate. Hopefully it shall work fine. But yeah, man, awesome. So let's put these on the display stand, give them a little whiz, and see them. And don't go away, because the next bit of unboxing, guys, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. That's some funky, rare stuff from Japan. Yeah, and it's absolutely awesome. So don't go anywhere, watch that, and it's in the video to come. And I think that's the last video, because I think that's my last box and I'm done. So if you follow the series, guys, thank you so much. And it's not all over there. Now you're going to see these bad boys in the vids, and I will give you guys a chance to, if you want, pick which cars race in the vids. Okay, right, see them on the display stand, guys, and we're going to move on. The rain has started, so you can probably hear it in the background. Anyhow, we're going to move on right now to the next lot. Here we go. Okay, guys, I had this shell, the 180 SX, slightly shell in metallic blue. Came as a ready to run version, came with the gyro. It's actually on my channel, you can see it there, got unboxed. And yeah, it came with lights as well. So I'm not a massive fan of this body shell, but I would probably mod it out. I'd get rid of them wheels straight away. I hate them wheels. Get rid of them straight away, and instead I would put, like the person before me, decals all over it. If I could get a bigger spoiler on there, I definitely would. And I'd just jack it up and make it look like a drifting car. Give it the authentic look. So, yeah. So more so, I got it for the car that came with it. The car that came with it was definitely worth the bundle. Came with lights which were fitted to the A86 shell in red, and it also came with the gyro which needs to be installed. So that's pretty cool. The shell that came with it, I'll show you guys after this. Nice. I've got that as a pre-owned one, and I've got the new one. So if I want to do drift wids, it just gives that authentic look. Right, let's move on. Okay, I see here we've got the Toyota Sprinter True Treno A86. This is the aero version, and this is in red. This is a 90mm wheelbase, and it's the rear motor mount version, guys. So this is an all-wheel drive car. So it'll be the drifting car. So red is pretty rare, guys, and the person who bought this told me that he got it for £60 from Japan, and it's not being used. He's fitted the light kit inside it as well, which makes my life a lot easier, and should be pretty cool. Should be pretty cool in the vids as well. So should come with drifting wheels, and I mean, that's obviously because the initial D anime, it's already got a following as it is, and that car has, it's obviously a well-established car. It's a two-door coupe car, and basically, like, because it's been a lightweight, naturally aspirated, and I think, you know, I've heard of people using them not just from drifting courses or racing courses, but also in rally as well. So it's a popular platform. And in Japan, obviously, it's got that massive following, guys, so it's an amazing bit of kit, guys. And with these naturally aspirated cars, some of these people are taking them to some next levels. So yeah, so this was used for rally in Finland in the F Cup competitions, and they were held for naturally aspirated cars. And I know, because my brothers have a Civic, that some of these cars, you can stretch them, man. They can do some crazy. I mean, the technology in these cars is just amazing. You know, I mean, the VTEC, I used to love it. The VTEC used to kick in. The torque, it'll throw you back. You know, some of the cars that have been tuned up, and people have gone on to even turbo their VTECs, and that's just another level. So these guys doing quarter miles quicker than Subarus, under 14 seconds. I think they'd hit 11 seconds or 10 seconds. Some of the guys locally to me that have been using their naturally aspirated cars, and that's without a turbo. They've got their cars that fast. Craziness. Awesome. Right guys, let's move on.